Hello and warm welcome to everyone out there. Arranging baby's closet is not at all difficult, but keeping it arranged and well maintained every time is hard. Here I will be showing you how I arrange my baby's closet. Do watch it till end as I will be giving you some tips on how to keep it organized every time you use. I hope you have watched my previous videos related to diaper hacks and diaper bag organization. If not, then the link is provided in the description box below. Please do check it out. Who are new to my channel, please click on the red subscribe button to keep getting notified whenever I upload any new video. So without wasting any more time, let's get into my baby's closet. I have similar size closet for my baby as I do have for me. It is a slider almirah. In one section I keep my clothes and in another section I keep my baby's stuff. Let me open the closet and give you the inside view. It has two sections at upper side and two sections below, separated by some drawers. I have segregated all my baby's clothes according to the type of clothes which they contain, like rompers and inners in one, night dresses in another, pajamas in different one, and so on. This makes it well organized and easy to use. And the main benefit of arranging in this way is that in my absence, my family members can also easily find things. Also, I have labeled every basket according to things which they contain. I have kept all the grooming things like moisturizer, nail clipper, comb, oils, etc. in a separate basket so that I just have to grab this after bathing my baby. I have folded every cloth in a halfway fold method. This makes it look more organized and also neat. Every cloth has clear visibility in this manner, and you don't have to waste your time in searching for things. Let me demonstrate how I fold this clothes. Just fold the clothes from top and bottom and bring it to center and then fold again. As you can see, by folding in this manner, many clothes can get fit in a small basket. I have kept all the medicines of my baby in this cute little wooden basket, lined with a paper napkin in case of any spills. It is always a good practice to keep baby's medicines separate from adults' one, as the adult medicines is higher in composition. On the top section I have kept her tops, night wears, napkins and some more pajamas. It has a good amount of space left behind the baskets to keep other stuffs as well. This cute little round box contains all her accessories like hairbands, clips, etc. This cardboard box contains all her outgrown clothes, which I keep it here until the box gets completely filled, and then I give it to somebody in need.
Similarly, I keep all her new clothes, which are bigger in size but will soon get fit to her, in this box. This partition and these two drawers are used to keep other home stuff. Let's move to bottom section now. This first column contains all the blankets of my baby. Second column has some towels, and this third column has all the party dresses. I have the sari cover where I keep her occasional wear party dresses since they are worn less, hence I keep it in a covered bag to avoid getting dust stick.
This is how I arrange my baby's closet. If anyone has any advice or suggestion, then please leave it in the comment section below. I hope anyone of you will get benefit from this video. If so, then please click on the like button below and consider subscribing to my channel for keep getting notified whenever I upload any new video. Stay home, stay safe and enjoy everyone. See you next time. Bye.